get you back, yeah, yeah. And I'm over stingy with your son. Know that I put it down.
Alright, you guys, so I wanted to talk really quick. I'm so sorry. I can already hear the airplanes messing up the video. So sorry. So I'm just going to put my hair down because I want to wear my hair. Alright, I'm just going to take my hair out of this puff and like form it into my afro so I can take some pictures. And yeah, I just wanted to talk a little bit while I'm doing this because it's like, I don't know, I just wanted to talk to y'all. So I wrote down a couple things I wanted to talk about. So it's literally like just a little bit of stuff. The first thing I wanted to talk about was just my piercings. I feel like I had my piercings for a minute. It's about to be a year, coming up on a year in July. And every single time I sleep and my piercing move or something, I be getting back the freaking piercing bump. And I don't understand. It's like, bruh, every time I take care of this shit way too well for this bump to still freaking come back. Like, ooh. So these are my piercings. I think I'm gonna do a dedicated piercing video. I just wanted to wait until the freaking bumps were healed, but since every little second they want to come back every week, I guess I'm gonna just go ahead and do the video regardless. Oh, I just have room temperature water in here, and it's like literally the littlest amount because I'm not gonna drench my hair. I just like kind of wet it so it can break up like the roots, so it can like break up that pineapple. I want to talk about like hair companies. These hair companies are mad disrespectful. Like, people be thinking, oh, it's hunky-dory, amazing situations with these hair companies. Nah, they be rude, they be picky, all of that. Like, this one company I work with, which I'm never working with again, and I swear by that, their hair is amazing, but their customer service is trash. Like, I make their video, they're like, oh, they don't want this video, if I can make another one. I'm like, no, because firstly, I do everything y'all want to y'all told me y'all wanted in the video. Show the hair, talk about it, style it, and you talking about you don't want the video. Like, I hate a picky ass hair company talking about you want it this way, you want it that way. Like, bitch, you're not paying this and that price. Oh my gosh, the worst thing is the ones that be like, oh, can I have a discount? Like, bitch, what? Y'all don't even be trying to give people discounts on your freaking hair. You come asking me if you could have a discount. Like, no, bitch. And the worst thing is I would be like, alright, yeah, you can have a discount for our first collab. But then they come back and they want like another discount. But not only that, there's some companies that come and they're like, oh, we want this, that, and we want 2 videos, 6 pictures, 2 Insta videos, da 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 da. And then they be like, oh, we're gonna pay you $50. Who finna edit all these videos for $50? Now even if you have freaking 50 subscribers, bitch, do not be accepting hair as payment, especially not no $50. That is the dub. Yeah, I think I'm gonna read one of the freaking emails. Like, they be so rude with it. They be talking about some, yeah, no, your price is too much, or they be like, you only have this amount of subscribers, or this and that, so we don't want to pay you that much, so let us collaborate and we'll pay you $50 and see how much views it has, and then next time, like, bitch, bye. How about I don't want to collab? How about I do not want to work with you? Like, bye. These companies be bugging the F out. Y'all notice I colored my hair black? Well, actually, I colored it blue, but the blue color from, y'all, this video is about to be all over the place. The blue color from L'Oreal made my hair turn this color. So my hair is back to black. I feel like black make me look really, I don't know, vibrant. I feel like my burgundy was kind of washing me out, and now everybody have burgundy, and I'm like, I'm not interested in being like all these other bitches. Like, no. Okay. Sometimes I be feeling so like lazy. Y'all don't hate that feeling where like, if y'all are not religious, I apologize, but I'm gonna talk about religion really quickly. Y'all don't hate that feeling when you pray and ask God to show you where you're supposed to be in life, and then he show you and your ass still be lazy to do the work? That be me. Like, I be praying that God put me in a position where I could like be my own boss and and then a bitch still be like not wanting to get out of bed. Like, girl. Some people be asking me how to start a YouTube, like how do they start a YouTube, and it's really easy. Like, you just go on YouTube, you create an account, you can use your phone. When I started making YouTube videos, I used my cell phone, my iPhone 5, was it 5? Either my 5S or my 6, one of them. I use it and I would literally put it in the freaking selfie stick, and I put the selfie stick in a freaking fluffy sock, and I would prop it up against the window. I did not have a backdrop. When I finally had a backdrop, it was literally my bathroom curtains. I would use it as a backdrop, and then I edit on my phone using iMovie. What else? And then I post. Like, literally, you just have to post. Like, just post something. It doesn't have to be perfect, because at the end of the day, when you post like 5 other videos, that first video is gonna be trash to you. Like, it's gonna be like, oh, this was like, I was wanting it to be so perfect and it's not even that perfect. Yeah, so you just want to make sure it's good quality, something that you would want to watch, and then post it. Like, at the end of the day, what are you gonna do? You're gonna wait and wait and wait, and then when will that perfect moment come? When would you know it's the perfect moment to post? Like, you never know. My hair is doing some weird shit, so I'm gonna just wait for it to settle in itself. Yeah, so you wanna just post your first video regardless. Think about what you want your channel to be about. Me, I started off posting like makeup tutorials, like then I will post clothing videos, kind of like lifestyle, and I feel like I want to get back into like posting more clothes videos and like lifestyle videos, so you guys can see like I actually have a personality and not just a wig person. Yeah, I just like, now my setup is a little bit different and the quality is a little bit better, but you want to start off small. You do not want to go ahead and buy like these big cameras and stuff unless you have the money to and you want to. I just don't feel like it makes sense to invest in like camera and lighting and shit, and you're not sure that you want to do this. That's not really smart. And also, how to grow your channel. You want to be consistent, because even with me, I notice when I'm not consistent, my channel is growing at a slower rate. You do not have to post as much as I post. I just feel like I film in bulk. So let's say like today, I would film like 2 to 3 videos on different topics, and then I would have videos to post like one day. But sometimes I just have one video, and then it's like you don't want to force yourself. You want to film when you're in the mood. So if you know you're in the mood today or tomorrow, try to film like 1 to 2 videos or 2 to 3 videos, because you're in the mood to film. You do not want to film one video and then you won't lack off for like 3 weeks and then film another video. Like, in those moments where you feel like filming, you want to film a bulk of videos so you have them to post, let's say Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and it's still having you consistent instead of you just posting 1 video a week. It's like, if you want to do that, that is fine, but I notice when I post more frequently, it's like my channel is getting more people to come to my channel. Tell me if you guys like my hair like this. Also, I'm going to come out with a video talking about hair care and stuff like that, because I really love natural hair care. Even though I do, my channel is geared towards like wigs and extensions and stuff like that. I'm a big hair care fanatic. Like, on a regular basis, I'm wearing my natural hair. Like, I do not have my wig on. I probably have like my cornrows in, but my natural hair is out and I'm taking care of my natural hair. I do a lot of leave-in sprays and oils and moisturizers, because you need moisturizer, because if you have those braids in and you're not moisturizing the braids, even if you have a sew-in and you're not moisturizing in between your extensions, your hair will break. Like, when you take your hair out, you're going to be thinking like, oh, my hair been braided up so it's shedding. No, it's actually breakage because of like your hair not having the moisture it needs. Because if you have your hair out, like my hair out like this, I would mix this with some leave-in or like moisture milk. I will mix it and I will spray it in my hair, and then I will go in and put oils. Like, I mix a bunch of oils, but if you guys just want to have one staple oil, I would say the Jamaican black castor oil, the regular kind. You could get it on Amazon, 2 in a pack for like $13. That's really, really good. Even though it's heavy, it's gonna lock in the moisture that you do put. Okay, so I'm gonna make a video being more in depth about natural hair care and all that stuff. I want you guys to leave some suggestions down below for video ideas that you guys want me to make pertaining natural hair, because I like, man, my mind just be everywhere. Yeah, what am I talking about? Ugh. This is just a random chat with me. Like, it's not me doing nothing extra. I just wanted to speak a little bit so you guys can see that I actually have a personality and I'm not just, hey guys, welcome back to my channel, in your headphones and not talking. I want to do, oh, look at this. So y'all, I went to Ross. If y'all are not hip, if you live in the United States, I'm not sure if they have this in other countries, but like Ross and like TJ Maxx and stuff like that, they be having cheap ass shit. Like, look at this travel makeup bag that's popping, and I got it for $8. It was $7.99. Bomb. I am planning to add, I know this is all over the place, but I'm planning to add some more stuff to my website. So my website is under construction to be what is the word, like, I'm just rebranding right now. So I have my website Tropic Touches under construction. I'm gonna start doing more videos with my Tropic Touches here, because yes, I do reviews and stuff for companies that I feel like is reasonable for pricing, because my hair is a little bit more pricey. That's because of the quality, and my vendor, it is bomb ass hair, so it's a little bit more pricey. So people that can't afford my Tropic Touches hair, I do make videos on other reviews for cheaper quality hair. But if y'all want some bomb ass hair that's gonna last you a long time, 2 to 3 years, 3 to 4 years, like my hair lasts a long ass time, I'm coming back, rebranding, all of that, y'all. It's gonna be bomb. I'm gonna make more videos with Tropic Touches hair so y'all can see like the processing that the hair could go through. And even if y'all wearing it black, y'all know it's gonna be bomb. If y'all wearing it 613, y'all know it's gonna be bomb. Even though 613 takes a little longer to get there, because y'all have to do the bleaching and stuff like that, I'm gonna try to come out with already 613, not just black, because currently I provide straight and body wave hair. I'm gonna be coming out back with my curly hair, because everybody loved my curly wigs. I'm gonna start coming back with that. I'm coming back with lashes, accessories, and stuff like that. I'm so excited. I think I'm gonna I'm still working on it, and I don't want to rush the process, because I want it to be perfect, and I want it to be just right, because I don't want people spending their money and I didn't already test it out and stuff like that. Like, I'm gonna be testing it out and all this stuff. All the samples are coming in on Wednesday, so I'm really excited about that. Hopefully everything goes good, because then I'm gonna have to order some new samples from a new vendor, and I'm just praying that it goes good, because I don't have time to be, y'all, this is a lot of money. It's a lot of money, and it's a lot of stress. So if you're like a business owner, you know the stress. But I feel like I get really excited. Like, I got my I got some of my packaging today. Well, not really the packaging, just like my bubble millers, and I was so like, they're like this. And I got some of my my fillers for, it's like, you can't really see it, but it's palm trees, just like little cute stuff for the packaging. Like, I'm really excited. Look at y'all getting sneak peeks. Only people that support me be knowing what be going on in my life, because I just be randomly putting stuff in the videos and stuff like that. I'm gonna have this quick giveaway. I'm so random. I have these lashes. They're from Bahamian Lashes. They look like so. Wait, this video is not sponsored, by the way, but they look like this. Y'all, it's so hot in my room. So yeah, I am gonna be giving this away. All you need to do is screenshot this video, post it on your story. Also, you need to subscribe to me and follow me. Mommy is Tropic on IG and Tropic Touches. Make sure you're following both those pages. And then comment done down below with your IG. And that's it. Then you could just win these lashes. This giveaway is open to the United States. So yeah, I didn't even plan on doing a giveaway, but y'all getting a free pair of lashes. I didn't wear these. I wore I have another one that I wore before, but I don't plan on wearing these. They're a little bit too natural for me. After y'all do all that and comment done, the video is this is yours. I'm gonna ship it out to you. Y'all don't have to pay for shipping or anything. I hate when people make you pay for shipping when you enter a giveaway. Like, bitch, what are you talking about? Firstly, how did I have to spend money when you giving away shit? Anyways. So yeah, what else can I talk about? I don't know, I just feel like I'm so happy. I'm trying to be more motivated. I'm trying to pray more, like be more spiritual, because I feel like when I pray and I speak to God, like I don't even need nothing from him, but he gives me everything, if that makes sense. Like, he always be opening my eyes. I just feel like more people need to see that, especially when we're younger. Like, we need to try to have a relationship with God, because most people feel like, I don't know what they feel like. They just be going through the motion, and it's like, bro, what are you doing? But anyways, that's just me. I just feel that way. And yeah, this shirt I got from my grandma. It's a light pink shirt. It looks white, but it's a light pink. What else can I say? These contacts are from Iris Beauty. They're in the shade, the style Amber Brown. I'm gonna link them down below. I actually have a video on these lashes because I collaborate with them a couple months ago, and I really love these. They're really thin and easy to put in. Well, no, they're not easy to put in actually, because I'm really scary, but they're matte thin, and when you put them in, they don't hurt, they don't feel uncomfortable or anything. They feel natural. Yeah, I'm just really happy. I'm excited to rebrand Shop with Touches, and I don't know, just come with more stuff, be more consistent. I'm going to be doing a vlog when I go to New York. I'm actually going to Curl Fest this year. If you guys know what Curl Fest is, it's this event for like natural hair. I mean, even if you don't wear your hair natural, obviously you have hair in your head, so you could come to the festival. It's in Brooklyn, New York. I think it's actually at a park this year. I'm not sure, either a park or I'm not sure, but I'm gonna be attending Curl Fest, so I'm thinking if I should vlog. I'm probably gonna vlog because I paid money to go there. But yeah, I'm really happy about everything that's going on right now. I just wanted to come to you guys to just talk a little bit. We can have a discussion in the comment section on anything you guys want to ask me, or you guys want to know or tell me about what's going on in your life and what you're excited about, or what you accomplished this month. I feel like before the year is up, I want to accomplish a bunch of stuff. So yeah, I'm just excited. I'm thinking if I should do a vision board, because I feel like that, like, just seeing everything would make me work 10 times harder to accomplish those stuff, so I could take it off of the vision board. I feel like that's a good idea. Tell me if you guys want to do a DIY vision board with me, and that would be really exciting. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys. If you have gotten this far in the video, please comment down below and like this video if you like this video. But subscribe if you watch a 17-minute long video. Subscribe. Yeah. What else can I say? I keep saying I hate when people do that. That's it. Thank you guys for coming to my channel, and I will definitely see you in my next video. Bye.
Feels like forever I've been waiting just to get you back, yeah. You know it's stingy what you said. Know that I've already done, yeah. You know my fucking secrets, girl, and work it for me. Like I know you got that